Hello everyone. In this particular video, we will be solving the probability question of the GATE paper series question number 8. In this particular question, we have to figure out that a fair dice has been rolled thrice, probability of getting 6 only once. Now, one of the direct solution to this is if you want in total n rolls and you want at least exact k6s, NCK. So probability to get a 6 from a dice is 1 by 6. Probability to not get a 6 is 5 by 6. NCK 1 upon 6 to the power k into 5 by 6 to the power n minus k. You can substitute the value 3C1 1 upon 6 to the power 1, 5 upon 6 to the power square. So that will be 3 factorial upon 1 factorial and 3 minus 1 factorial. Uh, 1 by 6 will remain 1 by 6 into 25 upon 6 square is 36. So 3 factorial is 6 upon 2 factorial is 3 into 25 upon 216. This gets divided into, 2 factorial is 2. 3 minus 1, 2 factorial. 6 upon 2 will be 3. So that is equal to 75 upon 216. This is one way to solve it. Another way to solve this particular question is, so the answer is D. No, not D basically. The answer is option A. Answer is option A, 75 upon 216. Answer is option A. Another way to solve this is, what is the probability to get 6? 1 by 6. Probability to not get a 6 is 5 by 6. Now, how many rolls we are doing? Total 3 rolls. Now, there can be multiple combinations that can be made. Like this. We want to see using sets. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it can happen for every other number. So there are multiple combinations that can be made. Hence, 36 combinations are made. Out of those combinations, we are reducing some of them. Hence, we are multiplying it out. So, in one of the way is 1 by 6. If let's say the first dice gets 6 and another 2 dice doesn't get any 6. Plus, let's say the second dice got the 6 and the first die didn't get any 6. And the third dice didn't get any 6. Plus, another independent event can be that first and second dice didn't get any 6. And the third dice got a 6. So that is basically 25 upon 216 plus 25 upon 216 plus 25 upon 216. That is 75 upon 216. So that is the answer, option number A. That's it for this particular video. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.